I'm going to be showing you how to deal with Crocodile in Where Winds Meet. So in Where Winds Meet, there are crocodiles or alligator-like enemies you'll encounter, especially in swampy underwater areas. They're tough because their attacks often one-shot you if you're unprepared, so players can deal with them based on their skills. So the first thing you can do is avoid and steal quickly. So many players treat crocodiles as an environmental hazard and not a fight you have to win. So if they're guarding underwater chests, then use wind sense that you have. So it's not a fight you have to win. So just use wind sense to spot them first and avoid their range. All you need to do is dive in, grab the chest, then immediately swim back up before they hit you. So this works if your goal is loot and not combat. You can also try building defensive survivability, a very common tip from players. Just put points into a talent that lets you survive a fatal hit. So this lets you tank a crocodile attack long enough to grab something or reposition. So on the current version of the game, these crocodiles deal extremely high damage, and many players assume they're intended more as a deterrent than a standard enemy. That's why avoidant or survivability talents are usually the better strategy than head-on combat unless you're very high level. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.